Dayton Bandsaws are sold nationwide through W.W. Granger. It's their private brand. We stock a line of aftermarket replacement parts for the guide kits, which is a guide upgrade kit. Typically when you buy a Dayton Bandsaw, it is a DIY type saw. It's very good quality. Dayton Bandsaws were built at a lower price point to give value to the customers. We increase the value of the saw by our guide upgrade kit. Utilizing the Sawblade.com guide upgrade kits, you're going to get longer blade life, better cuts, it's going to be quieter, and the guide kit's going to last forever on that machine. It's sealed roller bearings on a extruded aluminum block. You go online, you click the product description, and there'll be a how-to video on how to install that kit on your saw. Nothing could be easier.